things we like about the family farm. Number 1, it is accessible. The farm is 15 minutes drive from the Tolec seat of Carmen Rosales, Pangasinan. Although it is 3 hours drive from Manila, it is easily accessible from the main roads. We also love that it is part of biker routes. It has great potential to become a biking stopover or even a biking destination. We are thinking of putting up a roadside cafe or even a farm-to-table restaurant. How cool is that? We have finally arrived. Number 2, the farm is productive. Upon purchasing the land, it already has plenty of fruit-bearing trees and native vegetation.
Anong mga trees yun nandito, tsaka mga plants?
Mangoes, kamatsili, duhat, siniguelas,
Malamok pa, hindi naman.
Hindi,
guyabano,
May mga hantik.
bananas, dragon fruit, wild, lahat ito. Sampalok trees.
Ito. Isang palok dito.
And number 3, the farm promotes simple living.
Hi! We're now here. Hi, Lola! Look at that! Guys, view! Ito yung mga halak.
Brittany! Call Brittany! Brittany!
Elliot, when you're 3 or 4 years old, we're gonna ask you to help out Lolo. Are you going to say yes? Yes. Yes, Lolo. I will help you here in the farm. I'll take care of the chickens. That's the manly way of work. Then you're gonna pick fruits for Lola.
Get the tomato. This one. Get this tomato. Ilang hectares ito?
2.8 hectares minus 3,000 nasa water.
Okay.
Bali 2.5 hectares.
I know, right? Welcome to Old Jojo's farm. Lolo Jojo had a farm.
Lolo Jojo has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm there are some 40 chickens.
100. Elliot is getting acquainted with the chickens, and this is how he reacted. Ano ba, nak? It's chicken. Chicken, you eat that.
It's okay, anak.
And a quack here, and a bak there. Lolo Jojo has a farm. Iyay. Yo? Ito ay magiging fish pond. Mas mga mango trees. Hi, Elliot. Uudad.
Pababa.
Gini ba na?
Naghahanap ako ngayon kung nasaan yun. Togi. It's a root crop na indigenous dito sa Rosales. So if that is indigenous to this area, that has a value dito sa lugar. Hindi ko alam yung ibang mga pangalan kasi yung locals na nakakaalam, some of them are kinakain, some are gamot. Mini-maintain lang for timber, for fuel.
Pwede magpatayo ng bahay dito. Oh, ito nga malaki pa. Hindi pa siya hitik. Sa March. Ano akit? Yun maakit ba?
Yung golf cart ang pinag-usapan mo.
Si mami may gusto ng golf cart. Kutsal
Trailer para pagka may bisita. Pas. Ting chong ting wachi.
What are you Chinese?
Ano yung mga parang
Web.
na cotton?
Ano siya? Spider. Diyan siya nag-harvest ng insects.
Sabi niya, more. Okay, we're gonna go trekking.
Atras ka ulit walk kapag ganito. Gumaganon yung mga shot.
Okay na yan. There is shedding off the skin. We're here waiting for the men going on a hike around the farm. At busy po ang baby na natutulog. Woohoo!
What did you get? Is that a fruit?
Peas! Fruit or seed? Did he eat? Di ko alam.
Hindi exactly nag-free range eh. Natatakot sa sanay.
I am very excited for the development of this land to become a model farm that will be championing a diversified, integrated, organic, and sustainable farming system. By God's grace, it will not only benefit our family, but also the community.
Hi, baby.
Thank God for this vision given to my daddy and mommy.
Open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, lay them on your lap. Creep 'em, creep 'em, creep 'em, creep 'em down up to your chin. Are you ready? Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in.
Yung mata niya, pikit.
Open, shut them, lay them on your lap. Creep 'em, creep 'em, creep 'em, creep 'em down up to your chin. We're going up, 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 and then we stop. Woo! Do the propeller, do the propeller, do the propeller around and around. Do the propeller, do the propeller, do the propeller around.